Oh, my son Tim was a boss who's mighty good, but it was a but he never ran a right. When he thoughts of his mother came into his head, you couldn't understand one word he said. With your two raya, whack follow-da, follow-diddle, follow-da-do. Well, up comes Tim without any legs, and in their place he had two wooden pegs. Well, was it walking across the sea? Boy, your two fine legs from the knees away. With your two raya, follow-da, follow-diddle, follow-da-do. Oh, were you drunk or were you blind when you left your two fine legs behind? Oh, come around, but you were the silly youth, got to run away from the Frenchman's shoot with your two raya, follow-da, follow-diddle, follow-da-do. I was neither drunk nor neither blind when I left my two fine legs behind. When up came a bloody great cannonball, took away me sea boots, oilskins and all with your two raya, follow-da, follow-diddle, follow-da-do. Oh, Timmy boy, his mother cried, them two fine legs was your mammy's pride. Them stumps of a tree wouldn't do it all. You'd the right to run away from the big cannonball with your two raya, follow-da, follow-diddle, follow-da-do. And now I cross the raging main to Napoleon Bonaparte and the Queen of Spain. And I will make them rue the time that they took away the legs of a child of mine with your two raya, follow-da, follow-diddle, follow-da-do. With me two raya, whack follow-da, follow-diddle, follow-da-do.
Noise. They were like the noise.